traders, welcome to EME Forex educational YouTube channel. So today we're going to be having a short analysis looking at USD paying more attention to dollar related pairs. We are having NFP, that's the first week on the month of June, being Friday. It's usually NFP day, and we're looking to position ourselves so that we'll be able to capitalize on the moves ahead of NFP release. So let's jump onto our chart and have some chart work. So looking at this here, we have DXY. Looking at this from the daily time frame here. So let's throw in some of our tools which we use for analysis. So first off, if we look at this here, this is a decent high which price has been unable to trade above, and we have some other significant one above this level, but for now we're just knitting this up to work with the highs where price is rejecting off. Now if we look at the other way around, we have this lows which was more like where price was trading from, and we had all of these wild run to the upside. So we've identified our directional moves now. So if we drop down to a lower time frame here, we'll look at this now. We're already having some decent um, sell-off from these highs now, and this here is the next level which price is likely going to tap into. So we've identified this directional move now. We are bearish on DXY, and we're likely going to have this ripple effect on pairs like Euro USD and so on, which we're going to look into shortly. So however, this is London market open, and the liquidity is not yet in the market, so we want to anticipate some degree of pullback to retest this level which we had price selling off from. So if I throw in the real line to more like a retrace to this level here before we start seeing some major drop-ins all the way to the downside, some major drop-ins from this high to the downside. So having identified this, now let's take a look at GBPUSD. So GBPUSD, we're having GBPUSD. If we drop down to a daily chart, we're having GBPUSD building up nicely. We've rejected off from this level, and that's more like our low, and this like our high. So if we zoom in a bit, you notice that we've been having some decent bull run so far to the upside, and we've been having a strong buyers moving the market to this high, and this is like the inflection point from where these sells which took price all the way down started. So let's drop down to a 4-hour chart. Now on the 4-hour here, we can see that we are getting close to this structural high which we identified on the daily time frame. So what we want to look at here, we want to pay attention and allow price to give us an entry that will take us to this level here for buys. Now depending on how you want to approach this here, we want to approach this with some degree of discretion. Why? Because we're trading GBPUSD, and this is NFPD, so the trade might be invalidated. Well, we might just see some little buys kicking in, and it might just flush all of this move back down here, or it might still take us to this level here for um 1.26424, which was like our targets. So that's about it for GBPUSD. So next up, we're having EURUSD. EURUSD having similar build up like GBPUSD. This is in fact even much um, clearer than what we have on GBPUSD. So if we plug this in, we'll have price bouncing up from this level. We're looking at this level as possibly where we could sell all the way back down, but then price turn around this level, and this is like the structural highs. Now for drop down to a lower time frame now. Now on the lower time frame, we can see that clearly we've been trending down for a bit. If we use our trend line to, we can see that we've been trending all the way down for quite some time now, and price is like already turning around for some buys. So that's what we want to capitalize on. Now we'll be targeting this level here as like our take profits so far, and if again the volume takes us um into the right direction here, we'll be looking at trading around these levels as our target points. But if this gets invalidated, we might just start dropping all the way back down. But however, this is still the London session open, so we still have some time to like allow the market to build up and show us its hand before we start executing our trades or taking positions here. So one more trade setup I'm looking at is USD CAD. USD CAD also been seeing some solid sales so far, and we're looking to tap into this level here. We've rejected off from this high. So within this range here, we are already 70% into the move. If you look at this, we broke out from this trend line as well, and we are having just this space for price to like fill up and continue the move all the way down. So and we have dollar being weak, so we'll be expecting some sales all the way down here. So basically guys, this my take on USD related pairs. I'm bearish for DXY, but have an open mind that the market could do otherwise, and we want to just probably position ourselves for volume that will be entering the market and to be the right side of this volume. So that'll be all for now guys. Have a wonderful trading day, and keep it simple.